Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class, we have learned that how to build one video background site with HTML and CSS, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now in this project we will learn that how to build one image slider with HTML and CSS, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you are enjoying all previous projects of HTML and CSS. So let's start. Now first of all we have to open our text editor. Okay, like previously we are working with our brackets text editor, so I will just open that over here. Okay, so now here you can see I have just opened my text editor over here, and now over here I have just already taken two files. Okay, so there will be not waste of time. Okay, so I have just already created two files of HTML and CSS over here, and over here I have also created the starting code, and I have also linked my style sheet over here. Okay, so like you all know how to do that. Okay, because I have taught it many times in my previous classes, so you can also check that out of HTML and CSS. Okay, so like that you can just do that all things. Okay, if you watch my previous videos over here. So over here we have to just make a image slider. Okay, so for making an image slider you have to just take three pictures, or you can take any picture, or how many picture you can take, it depends on you. Okay, so I will just take three images over here. Okay, so you can take like 5 to 6 7. Okay, so it is your choice over here. Okay, so I have just taken three images, and now over here my image should be like over here you can see that this building one. Okay, and this desk one over here, and I will just show you this one. Okay, so these three picture will be mine. Okay, so I will just use these all pictures. So over here first of all I have to just create ID. Okay, so today we will not create any class, we will create ID over here. Okay, so first of all we have to write div, and now here you can see we have just written div, and now I will just not write the class, I will just write ID, and I will just write slider. Okay, so I'm telling you one thing over here, when we write any class, so when we are styling it in CSS, so we write like dot slider or dot any class you have written. Okay, but in ID you have to write this hashtag sign when you are styling that, then you have to write your ID. Okay, in the front of that, like we write dot, then we write our class over here. So like that, first of all we have to write our this hashtag, then we have to write our ID. Okay, so just I am writing like that, and over here I will just make one tag which is called figure. Okay, so I will write figure, and I will press tab over here, and now in these tags I will just define my image over here. Okay, so I will write like img means image, like you all know, and over here I will just erase this old one. Okay, because I don't need it, and there is not anything to do with this tag over here. So I will just write over here my image name, like my first was building. Okay, so I will write building dot jpg over here, and over here I will just do not anything, I will just copy this and I will paste that over here and over here. Okay, so it should be not waste of time, we will just do two times here. Okay, so I will just write dex. Okay, like I have telling you my image name, and over here my third image was dex1. Okay, so I will write dex1.jpg over here. I will just do one thing, I will save over here. Okay, so I will just show you in live preview over here. Okay, so just you have to wait. Okay, like you all know we have done very times over here. Okay, so now here you can see when it is just loaded, so our all images has been comes over here. Okay, here you can see that, but it is too big. Okay, so we will set these all images. Okay, so I will tell you how to do that. I will just first of all minimize that. Okay, so we can go to our text editor. So here you can see just it is enough over here, I will just style these. Okay, so I will just come over here and I will write this sign over here, and I will write margin 0 pixel, then I will write padding 0 pixel. Okay, and over here I have to write like slider. Okay, so like I have telling you have to write this hashtag sign, so I will write like hashtag. Okay, and over here I will write slider, and I will just write over here like now in here I have to write over here like overflow. Okay, only one thing we have to write, overflow should be hidden. Okay, so this tag means like if your picture are overflow with each other, means one is above of them. Okay, so this will be not do in this. Okay, when you write this overflow hidden. Okay, so here we have just in over here I will just I will just write now slider with figure. Okay, because now I will style slider and figure over here. Okay, so here we have just write like overflow hidden. Now we have to style like position, then we have to write margin width or left. Okay, so we have to write these all things. So I will first of all write width. Okay, so I want the width of image should be 500%, not pixel. Okay, so there is many difference between pixel, percent and vh, like I have telling you. And over here I will just press enter, and over here I will write like margin 0. Okay, I will write margin 0. I will write position relative. Okay, you don't have to write position absolute. Okay, because absolute is another thing and relative is another thing of position. Okay, so here we have to just write like that, and over here I will write left 0. Okay, so I will write left 0, and over here I will just define animation. Okay, so for making image slider, when you have just taken your image, so you have to just define your animations also. Okay, so I will tell you how to do that. I will just write over here 20s. Okay, so mean 20s mean 20 second. Okay, so our image will be just stand 20 second, then it will be changed into another image. Okay, so I will write like 20s slider, and over here I will write infinite. Okay, so here you have to just define your id. Okay, so it should be correct. If it should be not correct, so it should be error for you. Okay, until here I have done, just I will write another hashtag, and I will just define slider, and I will write figure over here, and I will write image. Okay, so now here I will write width 20%. Okay, from spaces over here, and over here I will just write float into left. Okay, because I don't write float, because I don't have to take it float to right or center, I will just take it to left. And over here I will just write over here like I will first of all write keyframes. Okay, so I will write keyframes, and over here I will write slider. You have to just write your id name or class name which you have written over here. Okay, if you write like any other name, so it will be not work over here. Okay, so here we have to just write over here like that, and I will just write over here 0%, and I will write over here left should be 0. Okay, so like we have done it previously over here. Okay, so like I have telling you, so here we have to just do it left 0, then because when we are making any text, when we are doing text animation, so we done these all thing. So over here I will write 20%. Okay, and not 20%, I will write left should be 0, and over here I will write 25%. Okay, and in 25% I will also write left now should be not 0, it should be minus 100%. Okay, and in 45% I will also write like left should be minus 100%. Okay, so it should be just gone forward. Okay, so here I will write 50%, and now I will write like 50% should be left, but now it should be minus 200%. Okay, and I will also write 70%, and it should also be left, and it should be also minus 200%. Okay, so it should be just gone back towards, okay, towards our first image. Okay, so now if I show you, so here hit refresh, so now just you have to wait till 20 seconds over here. So just when we wait, so here you can see now our image changes. Okay, here you can see just it is sliding towards another image, then there is our third one image, then it will be just slides to our first image. Okay, here you can see it is sliding slowly to our first image. Okay, here you can see that just like that you can make your slider. Okay, if I show you again, so just hit refresh again, so just you have to wait till it slides. Okay, so here you can see now it slides till 20 seconds. Okay, and now it is just waiting 20 seconds more, and now it slides 20 seconds forward again. Okay, here you can see now it should be sliding to the first image. Okay, so here you can see we have just successfully made it our image slider in HTML and CSS. I hope you also enjoyed this class like you were enjoying all previous classes. Okay, so just this is easy to do. Okay, you can also do that. Okay, so this is not any big code over here, so you can use that many times over here. Okay, so just I hope you understand this class, and I hope you also enjoy this project like you are enjoying all previous project of HTML and CSS. So just you have to practice this all thing which we are working with. Okay, and I hope you will be a good programmer of HTML and CSS like you are of Python also. Okay, so I will meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.